Welcome to BIM Academy. We are a training platform focused on industry-ready skills for civil engineers. Not just theory, but what construction companies actually expect today. In this video, we're going to talk about a serious question. Why are so many civil engineers struggling to get jobs in 2026? Let me ask you something. You studied civil engineering. You passed exams. You learned theory, struggling to get a job in 2026. Every year, thousands of civil engineers graduate, but only a small number actually get hired. Why? Let's talk about the real reasons, not the excuses. Reason 1. Too many graduates, too few skilled engineers. Today, colleges are producing degrees, not skills. Most fresh civil engineers. No theory, no formulas, no exam answers. But they cannot work on a real project. Construction companies don't need mark sheets. They need engineers who can deliver work from day one. That is the first problem. Reason 2. Software skills are no longer optional. In 2026, civil engineering is not just site work. Companies expect engineers to know AutoCAD, Revit, BIM, quantity takeoff, basic planning tools. But many graduates still say, I will learn software after I get a job. The truth is, you won't get the job unless you already know the software. Reason 3. Gap between college and industry. What you learn in college and what happens on site are very different. On site, engineers deal with drawings, deadlines, contractors, mistakes, cost pressure, but colleges rarely teach real drawings, execution problems, coordination, practical decision-making. This gap is costing engineers their careers. Reason 4. Engineers who don't upgrade get replaced. Construction is changing fast. Manual work is reducing. Digital tools are increasing. Companies now prefer one BIM engineer instead of 5 draftsmen, one planning engineer instead of many supervisors. If you don't upgrade your skills, someone else will replace you. Reason 5. Everyone is applying for the same jobs most engineers apply for. Site engineer, junior engineer, QS roles, thousands of applications, very few openings, but very few people apply for BIM roles, digital construction, coordination roles, model-based planning, less competition, more demand. The hard truth. Pause here. Civil engineering is not dying. Old-style civil engineering is. The industry doesn't lack jobs. It lacks job-ready engineers. What smart engineers are doing in 2026? They are learning BIM and Revit, practicing real project drawings, understanding site plus software, becoming multi-skilled. They don't wait for opportunities. They create value. Final message. Strong ending. If you are a civil engineer struggling today, don't blame the degree. Upgrade your skills. Learn what the industry needs. Build yourself digitally before going to site. Because in 2026, civil engineers who adapt will survive. And those who don't, won't. Final call to action. Add at the end. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more real guidance on civil engineering careers, site knowledge, and industry-ready skills. We don't talk theory only. We show what actually works in the construction industry. And if you want to upgrade your skills, we are offering a free demo class for Revit, AutoCAD, BIM. This demo will help you understand how software is used in real projects and how engineers are actually getting jobs in 2026. Contact us now for the free demo class. Details are in the description.